Igwe, chairman of Protocol, this year, Oneba, Osike, Urubula Nekene, Nezulo, as the HN on Nike, Ogadurumana, Hadithas. When they connect, all the people present here, including the press, because without the press, all what we're doing here today is non and void. But are the one that can project it to the next level.
Why you not stay for gates?
You are here also, the founder and first president of Anenze Ndibo, Lagos State, Western Zone. I know you are here, you are welcome. All right, I'll continue my introduction, but meanwhile, before the introduction, I'll be calling on the DJ class to just give us an interlude while the Regent Prince will get ready for Kola North and Pastor Ken will also get ready for opening prayer. I can see. Idi, I can see you. Let's born again. You are welcome, sir.